Welcome everybody. I'm Mitch, basically just an old guy with a drone. Now you're probably wondering, why in the world would you want to pay any attention to me? According to the YouTube gods, I'm supposed to tell you why in the next 30 seconds. Whatever happened to attention span? Well, here goes. Throughout my life, I've had experience in photography and cinematography, aviation, both as a licensed commercial pilot and flight instructor, and 50 years in the RC hobby, including a trophy in Top Gun, the world's largest invitational RC scale tournament. I built and flew a 40-pound, 200-mile-per-hour turbine-powered F-100D Vietnam-era jet fighter. I have a Part 107 commercial drone license and still do some commercial photography and drone work as well. I made my living in the technology business, from way before the personal computer or the internet right up till today. So it seems my interests in photography, aviation, RC flying, and technology make drones the perfect niche for me. I promise to do my best to both entertain you and impart something useful, whether it's about drones, technology and gear, tips and tricks, or just life in general. My videos will be upbeat and humorous. You know, at 72 years old, I think I'll leave the problems and anger to someone else. Thanks for watching. I'll do my best to make sure your time isn't wasted. Till next time, take the rest of the day off and go play with your drone. Bye-bye.